Before we get started, I just want to thank everybody for coming over and subscribing to our channel. We really can't thank Mike, StreetSpeed717, and Andy, Diablo Formula Racing, enough for all the collaboration that we've done so far and more in the future. I just want to address some of the comments that we've been seeing on the videos. A lot of negative stuff about Andy, and just to be clear, anything that we're finding here is in no way putting Andy down. We do appreciate all the work that he's done. Actually, the engine has been great. There's been no major problems with the engine. Anything that I'm pointing out is minor stuff that we just want to show some of the details that we're going into when we're working on a car or an engine. Really, the major complaints that Mike had about the car had nothing to do with Andy's work. Originally, the diff that broke, that put the car out of commission, the clutch, he didn't like the drivability, and the Lamborghini doors fitment was another issue that made Mike decide to move on to the 17 Z06, which none of those issues had anything to do with Andy's work. The engine is actually very good. We've found no major issues. We've had some stuff come into our shop that has just been destroyed by other shops, and I was very happy to find the engine was in good shape. Just a couple of minor things that we're picking up to improve on, which we always look for things to improve on an engine and do things our way, the cleanest and most quality way possible. So that's just the Katech way, and nothing wrong with the way Andy has done anything. We're very happy with that. We consider Andy part of the Katech team, and in fact we are doing more cylinder heads for Andy right now and more collaboration. So props to Andy. He does not deserve some of those negative comments that we've been seeing in the videos. So let's just keep that in mind, and we'll move on to today's work. We're back in the car shop now, ready to watch Nick torque the cylinder heads. We got a fresh delivery coming in. Apex Performance has sent their C7 Z06, getting a big build for SEMA in just 4 weeks. So it's going to be all hands on deck here to get this car done for the SEMA show. It's a huge build. Thanks to Thomas Sunday Transport for getting this car here from Las Vegas very quickly so we can get started on it. Well, that's it. I'm getting kicked off the hoist. The Apex Performance car is here and it needs to go to SEMA. We're currently waiting on a differential to come back from RPM. The engine is ready to go. So we are done with the StreetSpeed717 car for a little while. Let us know if you want to follow the Apex build. Drop us a note in the comments, and if we get enough comments, we'll post some videos of the Apex build. The StreetSpeed717 Z06 is off the hoist and on the rollers. We're about to move it out of the way. The Apex Z06 is on the chassis dyno right now, getting a baseline number, and then it will be in to get started. Okay, as you can see, I've been kicked off the hoist, and we've got the Apex Performance Z06 getting started on the hoist now. Who is Apex Performance? They're a shop in Las Vegas just getting started up, and they're going to be a dealer of Katech products. So this is their shop car. They run at Spring Mountain, do a little road racing with it. So it's going to have all the Katech stuff on it to showcase our products and some of our partners' products. And they're going to go out at Spring Mountain and tear up the track. If you guys would like to see a vlog on this car, let us know in the comments. The Apex car is a 17, so it's got the new supercharger lid and tilted intercooler brakes. Dan's getting into day one of the Pro Charger install, just getting some of the wiring harnesses prepped and everything like that. That's going to do it for today. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of the Apex car, please let us know in the comments and we'll continue the video blogs.